Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and we are recapping our JavaScript knowledge. So in today's video we are going to deep dive into the fascinating world of coercion in JavaScript. So what is JavaScript, you may ask? So well, get ready to find it out. So before that, if you are new on my channel, make sure you have subscribed the channel and turn on the notification. And if you find this video helpful, please leave your comment and share it with your friends. So guys, let's check it out. I have a note here, so let's check out the note. So type coercion in JavaScript. So type coercion is the process of converting the type of a value in the background to try and make an operation work. So I would say it's an implicit coercion, because in this case JavaScript automatically converts one data type to another data without the developer concerned, or developer are not explicitly requesting for it. So it's happened behind the scene. It's often leading to unexpected outcome if not handled properly about the JavaScript type. And yes, there is another coercion, which is explicit coercion. So explicit coercion refers to situation where developer explicitly converts a value from one to another. We can use, in this case, we can use our built-in functions just like number, string, or boolean. So if I want to convert a string to a number or a number to a string, so we can do that. Okay, so here I have an example. Let's check out the first example. I have a string which is 34, and I'm going to multiply 10 with the string. So in this case it will return 340 if I am not wrong. So let's run that code in our console. So I'm using node and type the file name coercion. And okay, and you can see that it's returned 340. So that is perfect, and I think this seems useful, but the process is not always logical or consistent, so causing a lot of confusion. Let's check out the second example. So in this example we are trying to add a number with a string. So I have 56, which is a number, and I have 45, which is a string. So let's add the value, and let's comment on this code and run again. So and you can check out that it's just concate the value together. It's first 56 and then 45. So what is it? This is something weird, really. We are not expecting that. Sometimes we are trying to add two numbers. So let's check out another example here below. I have two values. Value 1 is 5 and value 2 is 9. So first one is string, second one is number. So and here I am parsing the value using the number method, as we discussed in earlier videos, in past videos. So using number method. So this is an explicit coercion, because I am aware of this value type and I am converting this value to a number, and then I'm going to add the sum. So in this case, if I run that code, and you can see it's returned 45. So this is an explicit coercion. So you should always try to be very explicit about the types of the values you're working with. So in this case, sometimes other languages like Java or C is most useful, and JavaScript also have type version which is called TypeScript. So you may try also TypeScript. So it will handle the error in runtime. Okay, and here is another example. Let's check it out. So which is first one is string, and then I'm trying to convert that string to a boolean value. So in this case it's written true, because JavaScript coerces the string JavaScript into a boolean value, since the string is not empty. So it is considered true value, so resulting in the output is true. So guys, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to share, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe the channel, and please leave your comment below. So your engagement will helpful for me to bring more videos on this channel. So guys, see you in next video.